Good morning, student, and Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start exercise 4B. Before starting exercise 4B, I would like to recap the previous concepts which we have done in exercise 4A. As a whole chapter is based on algebra. So first of all, I will introduce algebra. Algebra is basically the mathematics, basically a branch of mathematics in which we study about the variables and constant. Variables are the alphabets X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and the constants are the number. These variable and constant combine to form the algebraic term like 3C, 4C, 5AB. These are the algebraic terms. Like you can see here, I will write 4 is a constant and CD is a variable. So this is basically an algebraic term. Algebraic term. These algebraic terms group together to form algebraic expressions like 4CD minus 7AB. This is called algebraic expression. It's called algebraic expression because it comprises of two terms and an operational sign or a plus minus division or multiplication sign. This all is done. Then we do working on like terms and unlike terms, like terms, like and unlike terms. Like terms are 4CD, 5CD, and 2CD, while unlike terms are 4CD, 5BC, and 7DB. A B, X, color, whatever it is. Like terms are the terms having the same variables and same powers. Here the variables are different for CD, here variable is BC, here variable is BX. So they have different variables and different powers, so we call them unlike terms. We can't solve unlike terms. When we have to solve them, we need basically these like terms. So this was the end of exercise 4A. We were working on like terms. We are adding them, we are subtracting them. Now we are going to do something else. In exercise 4B, we are going to, question number 1, expand each of the following. Each of the following. Now how to expand it? In this exercise, we are basically working with signs. When we multiply the sign, negative sign, inner signs will change. When we are adding them, we will do it, and then let's see the practice part A. Its minus sign is outside the bracket and x plus 5. Basically it's working on a plus sign and minus sign. Whenever we have minus sign outside, we will see that it will change the inner sign, that it will be minus x minus plus minus 5. So this is done. We are going to expand it. How to expand it? When we are using this sign. Now see the B part. B part is, you can see here, B part is minus 4x 4 minus x. This is B part, minus bracket 4 minus x. Now we are going to solve it. Minus bracket 4 minus x. This minus sign will going to multiply with this minus 4 minus minus plus x. As they are not the like terms, so they cannot be further solved, and this is the answer. We are just going to expand this, and when the sign is multiply with 4, it will be minus 4. When it multiply with minus x, minus minus will be plus and plus x. Now we are going to do part C, that is, see the part C. C is 2 bracket 3y plus 7. Now here we don't have any sign outside, it's just 2 or plus 2. When plus 2 is going to multiply with this, what we get here, plus 2 is going to multiply with 3. 2 into 3 is 6 and y plus 2 into 7 is 14. This is the answer. It cannot further solve and this is the answer. Now see the next part, that is part D. D part is here. 8 bracket 2y minus 5. So how can we expand them? 8 is going to multiply with this. It will be 16y. Then minus sign, 8 into 5 is 40. So this is simplified or expanded form. It cannot be further solved. Part E, F, G and H. It's very simple. You have to do it in your homework. I will write down here part E, F, G and H. This is your homework and you have to do it. Now we will start question number 2. It's also the same expansion that we have to expand values, expand and simplify each of the following expression. Question number 2. First part A is 5 bracket a plus 2b minus 3b. Then I will write B part, that is 7 into p plus 10q plus 2 into 6p plus 7q. Now we are going to solve them and then we are simplifying them as well. So first 5 into a, 5a plus 5 into 2 is 10, it's 10b minus 3b. Here you can see that 10b and 3b are the like terms, so they can be easily solvable. Plus 10b minus 3b means plus and minus we have to subtract it, and sign will be the plus because the greater number is having the positive sign. So 5a will be written as it is, and if we subtract 10, plus 10 and minus 3, we solve plus 10 and minus 3, we get plus 7. Or we will say we subtract 3 from 10, we get 7, and greater number is 10. It has a positive sign. We just put the sign over here and the variable b. So this is the answer. First we expand it, then we solve it, and then we get the answer. Next part is 7 into p, 7p plus 7 into 10, 70, then q variable plus 2 into 6 is 12p plus 2 into 7 is 14 and q is the variable. So now we will see how many of the terms are like terms here. 7p, 12p, 70q plus 14q. So we will write down, arrange them in the order of like term. Arrange them as like terms. So like term is 7p plus 12p plus 70q plus 14q. Now we are going to solve them. Both of them have a positive sign, so they are going to add. 12 and 17 is here 19p plus 70 and 14 is, when we are going to add them, it will be 84q. So this is the answer. It's very easy questions, and it's part C and D. C and D is your homework. Half question we will do in the class and half question you will do in the practice. Now we will see the next part. Next 3 are the words problem. 3 and 4 are the words problem, and 5 we will do question number 6. It's also exactly like the same question we have done. So we are going to start question number 6. Question number 3 and 4 we are not doing this word problem, and now we are going to start question number 6. Question number 6 is It's exactly the same. We have to expand and then simplify each of them. First part A, 4u minus 3 2u minus 5v. So how can we solve this again? 4u written as it is, minus 3 into 2, 6u, and then minus minus, it will become plus, and 3 into 5 is 15v. So we will see how many like terms are here, 4u and 6u. So we are going to solve them. 4u and 6u, they are going to solve, and their answer will be 6 and 4. They are going to subtract because it's a positive sign and here it's a negative sign, and it will be minus 2u plus 15v. We can write in the same way. We can also write in the way that 15v minus 2u. We can write it in this way as well, because 15v minus 2u. So this is the answer. Now part B. Part B is here, minus 2a minus 3a minus b. Again, we have to first expand it, remove this bracket sign, and then we are going to simplify it. Minus 2a as it is. This 3 is going to multiply with a, and then this 3 is going to multiply with this minus b. So it's minus 3a, then minus minus, it will be plus 3b. Now we will see how many like terms are here. There are only two like terms, minus 2a and minus 3a. So what we get here, minus 2 and minus 3, we get 5a plus 3b. We are going to add it, and then we will put the, we are going to add it. It will be 2 and 3 mean 5. 5a plus 3b. Next question is question number 3 or C part. 7m minus 2n minus 2 3n minus 2m. Now we have to solve this part as well. How to solve this part? First we will simplify this, that is 7m minus 2n minus 2 into 3 is 6n minus minus, it will be plus 2 into 2 is 4m. Here we have 7m and 4m like terms, 2n and minus 6n like term. First we will arrange them to 7m plus 4m minus 2n minus 6n. So what we get here, 7m and 4m, 7 and 4 is 11, 11m, and then minus minus is going to add, and sign will be the greater sign, that is 6n and 2n, it will be 8n. So this is the answer. Remaining question you are going to do in the practice is have a same method. First you have to remove this bracket by applying this, by multiplying this 3 with the other values, and then you have to simplify the formula. Whenever with both the digits have the plus sign, it will be plus. Whenever they have minus sign, it will be adding again. Whenever the signs are same signs, it is going to add. Whenever the signs are different, sign rule you must learn here, it's a minus, and minus and plus is also equals to minus. So this is a sign rule which is very important, and you have to keep it into your mind when doing this question. This sign rule will be very helpful to you. Repeat it again. Plus and plus, always plus. Minus and minus is always plus. Plus and minus is minus, and minus and plus is minus. Whenever signs are same, they are going to add. Whenever signs are different, they are going to subtract. And we will put the sign of the greater number. We will see which number is greater number. Then we will put its sign. Hope you understand this question and complete the exercise, and inbox me your queries as well and homework as well. Thank you.